Hi, I'm Jim Zwack from the Davey Institute, North America's premier tree research laboratory. And today, we're talking trees. When spring and summer arrive, temperatures begin to heat up. The sun and warmth can bring drier conditions, and in some years, there's not enough rainfall to counter this. While trees don't always tell us clearly that drought is impacting them, there are some symptoms we can look for. To explain more about drought symptoms and recovery, I'm joined by one of our local experts, ISA certified arborist Ryan Statham. So Ryan, what are some things our trees will do to signal when they're not getting enough water?
Thanks, Jim. We know trees need water to survive, but knowing how much they need can be tough, especially during drought conditions. Shallow-rooted trees, like maple and dogwood, as well as newly planted trees, are typically most susceptible to drought damage. What you're looking for are signs like wilted foliage, off-color or smaller leaves, yellowing or scorched leaves, leaf drop, premature fall color, or even an overall sparse-looking tree canopy. You might even see limited twig and bud growth. You might also notice signs of pest or disease infestation as well, due to your tree being weak. Since dry conditions or severe drought can significantly reduce the lifespan of landscape trees, noticing the signs of drought early is important. When you water trees, remember to check your local water restrictions so you know what rules you must follow before starting. Begin with your youngest trees, since they are the most sensitive to drought stress. During a drought between April and October, you want to water them once a week with about 5 to 15 gallons of water, assuming no additional rainfall has been received. Your mature trees can survive with just a monthly watering. From November to March, you can reduce watering to every other week on your young or newly transplanted trees. It's very important to apply water directly to the soil so you aren't losing any to evaporation. Some of your trees will respond to drought differently than others. The first signs of drought stress will be browning along the leaf margins or at the needle tips. These parts of the plants are the furthest from the roots, so they are the first to show stress from a lack of water. Also, remember that mulch can help conserve water. Apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch to your soil around your trees for the best moisture retention.
Thanks, Ryan. Mother Nature certainly doesn't deliver the perfect conditions for our trees and plants every year. Watering properly is crucial, as well as planting trees in conditions that suit them best. If you want to learn more about preventive tree care, proper watering, or watering during heat and drought stress, contact your local professional arborist for guidance. As always, thanks for talking trees.